Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a blend door actuator in a Ford F-150. This small but crucial component controls your truck's climate. When it fails, you might experience only hot or cold air, or hear an annoying clicking sound from behind your dashboard. We'll walk through the process of diagnosing the problem and replacing the actuator, helping you restore comfortable temperatures in your F-150's cabin. Let's get started and get your climate control working perfectly again. First, let's confirm the blend door actuator is indeed the culprit. Listen for clicking or thumping sounds when changing temperature settings, or notice if air temperature remains constant despite adjustments. For the repair, you'll need a few basic tools: an 8mm socket, a 7mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. A small pry bar can also be very helpful for those tight spots. Having these on hand will make the replacement process much smoother. Now for the replacement. You'll typically start by carefully removing the necessary dashboard trim panels and the glove box to gain access to the actuator. Once visible, disconnect its electrical connector. Then, use your 8mm or 7mm socket to remove the 2 or 3 mounting screws holding it in place. When installing the new actuator, ensure its gear aligns correctly with the blend door lever. Finally, secure it with the screws and reconnect the electrical plug. After installing the new actuator, a system reset is often needed for proper calibration. Locate your truck's body control module fuse, commonly fuse 46, and remove it for at least 1 minute. Reinstall the fuse, then turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds for the system to calibrate. Finally, test your HVAC by adjusting temperature and vent settings to ensure everything functions correctly before reassembling all interior trim pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.